Hey guys, Sarah here. Everybody's here, as always. Oh yes. Everybody's here? Alright, the Germans came to say hi. Thank you. Greetings. No, don't start. What? It's about you. Okay. Everybody knows it's about you. Okay. Okay, go on. Just let me film this and then we'll play. Yes. Okay, anyways. Sorry about that. Josie has a lot to say. What can I say? Today we're going to be opening up our Boxycharm for July 2019. This box is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $100 or more. And then you can also earn charms, as they call them, to redeem in the charm shop online. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down there. And I always break down the value of the box to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. So make sure you're clicking on that to see what's down there. Okay, let's just go ahead and open this up. So when you open it up, it looks just like this. We got some of our product right there on top. We always have this little card that's going to have the theme for the month. So this month's theme is Au Naturel. And on the back here, it's going to have the values of everything that's in our box. Let's not look too much at that. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing right away is from, I want to say it's pronounced Elemis. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. I'm pretty sure this brand is cruelty-free. I'm like 98% sure. So let's go ahead and like open it up and see what it is. It does have like a little bit of a clean scent, and it's like very creamy, I'll say. It feels almost like a body cream. So it says apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Why do it have to be dark? Interesting. And keep away from eyes. May stain fabrics. What is in this? That's weird. So look at the little card here and see if it has some more information for us. I don't know. That's weird that it says remove with a dark cloth and also keep away from clothing. So I definitely will give this a try. I'm always, trying to keep my skin super moisturized, so not mad to get that. And it is valued at $35, so it's a little bit pricey. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Luxie. This is, I want to say that word is Gaea? So it looks like these are some brushes. Oh, these are kind of cool. I love the handles on these. So I know they look, I'm not sure if my camera's going to pick that up, but they have like a wood that's been stained sort of handle versus like a painted handle. It really goes like with the natural theme of the box, so I like that a lot. So let's see, I have a 246 precision crease right here, just a small little like packed brush. I also have a 510 foundation brush, which I don't normally use this kind of brush for my foundation. I just don't. But it does feel nice. And then I also have a large eye blending brush, which is right here. So yeah, I don't think I have any of these brushes from Luxie. So excited to get those. I always love getting brushes. And these are valued at $30, so 10 bucks each, which is a little bit expensive for brushes, but not too bad. More mid-range, I would say. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Appeal Cosmetics. This is a gel liner in deep taupe. Appeal, I'm fairly certain, is also cruelty-free. The color is right there. It's just like a brown color. I don't think I'm going to swatch this today. I'm probably just going ahead, going to go ahead and give this away or add it to the giveaway pile. I just don't need a brown eyeliner. I have quite a few, and I don't use them enough to warrant opening another one and swatching it. That is valued at $21, so a little bit expensive. Also, I'm noticing on this card, it's for eyes or lips. So that's kind of cool. Okay, two more things. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Ofra. which is cruelty free. This is the long lasting lipstick in the shade Santorini. It's like a magenta color almost. It's very bright. It does look like it has a little bit of shimmer or glitter on it. Go ahead and give it a swatch. It's not as bold as I thought it would be. That's kind of nice. So it's a little bit sheer, honestly, which I'm sort of surprised. There's the color. You can see it's not like super pigmented. At least I hope you can see that. Okay, so this is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. It says they are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives beautiful edge to your lip look. So cool. Excited to try that. And normally, especially with like more vibrant or darker colors like this, that's probably the only time I really use a lip liner is when I'm using something like this. It's like color inside the line, Sarah. That's sort of when I need it. So curious to try this on my lips and see how that works out. Let's see. That's valued at $20. So again, a little bit expensive, but I only paid $21 for this box, so got my money back right here. Okay, have one more item, and this is a palette. This is from Butter London. I really like the packaging on it. Really cute. I love like the faux wood sort of look. And this is cruelty free. Let's go ahead and open her up. So I like that it has a little mirror right there. I don't know. When I look at this, I get fall vibes. Anybody else? Maybe it's that green / gold sort of color right there. This feels very fall to me. I'll go ahead and swatch a few of these. I've never used an eyeshadow from this brand. I don't know if I've used anything from this brand. Maybe? I can't recall. A little creamy to the touch. There is only 2 matte shades, which is this is matte, and then the brown is also matte. Everything else over here is all shimmer. I got 4 in my hand, so let's go ahead and give it a swatch. So yeah, they're not too bad. Actually, they are not great. Oh, they are sort of buildable. So the finger swatch on these, it's not great. Like the shimmers are really nice. The mattes are a little iffy. So, but they all seem to be buildable. Like I'm going back in again and they're all like building up. So, the mattes are a little patchy, but it's a finger swatch. I don't expect them to be perfect on a finger swatch. So, I'd have to play around with this a little more. I don't know totally how I'd make an eye look with this palette, but I guess that's a little challenge for me, especially with only 2 mattes and one of the mattes being like a turquoise. So maybe a little bit challenging, but I do think it is sort of really pretty. Let's see. The value on that is $32. So I think that's a little bit expensive for a 6 shadow palette. That's a little bit much for me. I don't know if I would actually pay $32 for 6 eyeshadows, especially just judging them by the swatches alone. But yeah, I will definitely play around with them on my eyes and see if I have better success. I never fully judge just based on finger swatching. But yeah, that's everything for this box. Let's go ahead and get a value real quick. Okay, so if I mathed correctly in my head, which fails sometimes, the value of this box is $138. So that seems a little bit actually higher than the boxes have been recently. But I also think some of these prices, especially this palette, is more than I would personally pay. Also, I thought the eyeliner was a little bit not what I would pay for an eyeliner. So yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on my box. Also, if you get this box, did we get the same thing? I think there was variations this month. There normally is variations with Boxycharm. So if you got something different or if you got the same stuff, I'd love to know down below. If you want to go ahead and leave me a comment, that would be awesome. As always, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.